What up, Stackers? Big Stack McGee here. How are you doing today? Happy weekend. I was able to go out and visit a coin shop today that I've been to several times, and every now and then they have some unique pieces, and I was in luck today. I was able to pick up a silver bar that's new to me. I've seen them online before, but just thought I'd share with you just a quick pickup from today. What I have here is a Star Metals chunky silver bar. It's certainly seen its fair share of wear here. Nice and chunky. Reminds me a little bit of my old Academy that I have. Yeah, very cool. A lot of character. So yeah, in this particular case, I was able to pick this up for, I believe, is about $1.50 per ounce over spot. So it seemed reasonable to me for this particular piece, and I was happy to pick it up. So 10 more ounces to the stack. It's been really interesting to see over the last several days all of the ups and downs in the markets, and of course in the price actions in the metals accordingly. And I don't know. I'm very curious. You know, people have been talking recession for a while now. That we could be on the verge of one, and I think it all comes down to this business with the trade deals and tariffs and all that kind of business. Wall Street's waiting to see what the president's going to do, and I don't know. This is a tough one for me. I obviously, if you can truly predict what's going to happen, you could certainly make a lot of money. But I'm just I can tell you this: in my own personal investments, metals notwithstanding, I've kind of pulled back quite a bit. I've pulled quite a bit of money out of the markets that's just kind of sitting there waiting to see. I'm kind of hoping that if we do see some sort of massive dips, that I would buy back in. I have money in some Roth IRA and also some brokerage accounts. I don't know. I don't know what you guys are. You know, I guess the way that I look at it is this. So we've had this amazing ride over the last several years where the market's going up, 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 up. Of course, you know, even enough so that the interest rates were able to start creeping back a little bit, and the markets are still doing great. And of course, right now it's real iffy. So the way I look at it is that, you know, what is the real upside here? How much more growth in the short term could we anticipate for me to make it worthwhile to leave this money in this situation where it's going up, down, up, down, up, down? So I had kind of strategically have pulled some out into, you know, interest-bearing funds as opposed to investment funds. You know, I like index funds that track the S&P and for various investments that I have. But I'm curious how you guys are doing. I know this is a metals channel. I love to pick up metals every month. But for those of you that are in the market, what are your thoughts on, you know, I obviously can't time the market, I know that. But I just don't feel comfortable leaving it in kind of right now until we have a little bit more of an idea what's going to happen. Deep down, I feel like the president's going to do what he has to make sure that the economy is not tanking in the year before he's running again. But that's the only thing I can think of, because right now it seems like we have probably a good opportunity for a correction to happen sometime in the next year or so. But I don't know. What's your thoughts? That's all I got for you today. Either way, this right here is 10 ounces of silver. It's in my pocket. Happy to hold on to it. And it's money you can hold in your hand. Love it. So, I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. Just a quick short one here today. Sure appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing in regards to your investments in the markets, if you have any. All right, we'll talk soon. Thanks, guys.